वेलकम टू क्वांट लैब। क्वांट लैब में आपका स्वागत है। One of the core themes that I keep talking about is how AI is bridging the world of technology. And in this channel, the primary goal is to help bring that expertise or knowledge for financial trading. This is going to be a super short video, and I'm actually trying to explain a very important technology trend with data. So yesterday, what I saw is something called as an Anthropic Economic Index. What this says is how will AI systems have a major impact on the way people work. इसमें detail पे बात करेंगे. This video is not going to be more than 3-4 minutes long, so just bear with me, please. Generally speaking, I am always on Reddit, trying to see r/quant में क्या चल रहा है, and I keep finding interesting topics under the theme for machine learning. 2 years before, the discussion was how will AI affect quant rules? And one of the best answer that had most upvotes and responses, you know, it's like 2 years back. An answer was for many problems in AI finance, AI is not appropriate. They are designed to solve problems that have a well-defined answer. And this fundamentally has changed. This has changed with LLMs that you don't need to have a well-defined answer. So, and then they say they do less well on problems where the solution is dominated by noise, etc., which is still true. And for many of the core problems, AI is not useful. But now what's happening is, and here's the trend where economic data comes in, and even if you shift this answer and look at the more useful answers, uh, people are just saying that it's funny reading these answers and how outdated everyone's take are. And I believe in this person, right? Because why do I say so? Is because of researchers like this. Coming back to what Anthropic is saying, it's that AI systems will have a major impact on the way people work. What is the impact? Let me go and show what they did. So, Anthropic, by the way, if you're not familiar, is known for the language model called Claude. And Claude essentially has been, think of them as a competitor or as an alternate to ChatGPT. So, they are really a big shot in this LLM space. And what they did is they took all their conversations, which are private, they converted into tasks and they mapped it to occupations. And the theme that came out was astounding. This is all US data, but this can be extrapolated. And as a trend, what happens in US, generally speaking, a lot of that's get propagated in the world. And I don't think it's a trend which is more like, a country specific trend. It's more of a wider trend happening. So the skills that they are talking about first is critical thinking, writing, programming, troubleshooting. All of these are the skills that you need to make algorithmic trades. All of these skills are the ones that you need for working with technology, which is why computer and math are the foremost areas. Now, if you go back to the previous one, it says computer and math is 37%, arts and media is 10, education is close to 10, administrative work is 8, life sciences is 6, business and finance is 5.9. Now, a lot of people will argue that, hey, this is such a small number, why should I worry about it? Now, the point one is, and I want to zoom in, okay, before I quantify that. Within this 5.9%, just look at what's the utilization. Analyze financial data and develop investment and budgeting strategies. Provide financial advice and education. Record, analyze, and report operational and research data. All of these are less than 1%. But doesn't this look like a good category of people? Let's say if there are 100 traders in India, how many do you think are using algos? How many do you think are using AI out of that? The number is very small. But the fact of the matter is that given that computer and mathematical skills are going to be so commoditized by AI, the impact on this is going to be huge. So the story is, if you are in this world, or if you are, well, obviously you are in this world, and what I mean by world is, I was referring more to the world of finance and machine learning. If you are in here, this is the time to learn. This is the time to understand how AI impacts your financial journey and start learning. And that's it. Thank you for listening to me in this video. Until next time, bye bye.